to do this, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to go over to your account and you're going to come here. You're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to go over to privacy. And once you go over to privacy, you're going to go in story and hide story from. Okay, over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go on hide story from and you're going to hide it from every single person on your followers list. Now, obviously, if you have a lot of followers, that will be a difficult task, but this needs to be done if you don't want to show people your story. So hide it from all the people. And once you do that, post the story. Now, in that way, what's going to happen is no one's going to see the story that you've posted. And from there on out, what's going to happen is just post it onto your highlights and then delete the story from your actual story, unhide it from the other people, and yeah, you're going to be good to go. So that's how you add stories to highlights without posting it. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.